really have the nerve? Oh, I was gonna say he had the nerve to cut his lawn.
Yeah, a lot of people did. My neighbors did. A couple of them. Light up the next tree and have another Christmas. I get out for me. That thing for them bitches. I mean for them chickens, just in case my mother's listening.
I'm gonna let this guy go by.
Boy, I'm on a mission. Won't throw in the towel till I done the dishes. Y'all can't handle the heat, but see I'm from the kitchen. And what they do, I lie like Muslim interest. Never mumbling it. I speak loud and clear. What the nerds and the G's want the loud to hear. Whether you're headed or the breeze.
Yeah, definitely.
Any roof damage? Yeah. You in the sound and give with your surrounding peers, and this profound it is. Yeah, it's all I need is a train of thought in the right track. Take a journey with the pen, I'll be right back. Yeah, got my passengers, 9 of course. First man, take a drive. From my side to yours, is a train of thought in the right track. Take a journey with the pen, I'll be right back. You need to ride down El Dorado in Bay Area and video them houses. That's when it works.
That you can see in everybody's backyard, bro.
Yeah, them fences, but all these fences. They had water all in the church, but the holes on the other side.
Yeah. We'll ride by there.
They house flooded over here.
Look at it, nigga. The windows. That's just them.
They just trying to add it to I already got that thing up alone. Yeah, that door. Oh yeah, I'm gonna stop here. Got my passengers, 9 of course. First plane, take a ride with George from my side to yours. It's a train of thought in the right track.
Put us on the vlog, bro.
Reporting live from the disaster zone.
Disaster zone,
this
man.
refugee coming to you live. This is what they did to me. I cleaned up a little bit, but this is what I did to me.
Oh, you're not supposed to be able to see over here. You're not supposed to see the street.
This stood straight up there, because that's the fireplace. So this piece,
oh,
this piece right here
was connected at the side where that silver pipe coming from the top. And these 3 pieces right here are the silver pipes that were once attached up there. Man, you gotta see my neighbor in my house. The other house. There's a skylight. They had a plastic skylight in their roof. They had 2 of them. And we found them 3 cul-de-sacs down from their cul-de-sac in somebody's backyard.
I'm end this.